Hi foodies! Welcome to Millet Magic's episode number 3. In this episode, let's make Sorghum Dosa or Chola dosai that's complete pack of wholesome, nutritious South Indian delicacy. Let's start by taking 1 cup of sorghum aka cholam. Take half cup of idli rice. Take quarter cup of urad dal. This is a complete pack with protein and minerals. And quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and of course this is known for its digestive benefits. Put them all together in a bowl. Let's wash this thoroughly and keep it soaked for at least 5 hours. After 5 hours of soaking, let's transfer this to a mixer. You can also use a grinder. I'm going to use a blender and grind it into a smooth batter consistency. This is the right consistency that's needed to make the batter. Now add adequate salt and mix well with your hands. This not only ensures even distribution of salt but also aids in the fermentation process. Let the batter to ferment. Once the batter is fermented, look at how beautiful it is. This fermentation not only enhances the taste but also increases the nutritional value of any food. Now onto a hot tawa, let's pour a scoop of batter and spread it evenly into a circle. Drizzle some oil around the edges and wait until it turns nice golden brown. Once the dosa starts turning golden brown, flip it to the other side and let it cook until it's perfectly crispy. And there you have it, delicious chola dosai is ready to be enjoyed with your favorite chutney or dip. Each ingredient in this dosa brings its unique benefits, making it not only a tasty treat but also a nutritious meal for you and your family to enjoy. Definitely give it a try and experience the goodness yourself. Meet you in another video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.